let's learn how to apply modular arithmetic in our daily activities. Here is an example. The 17th of October falls on Thursday. What day of the week does the 17th of next month falls? Solution. The first thing we have to figure out is what we are looking for. We are told to find the day of the week. Now, because we are trying to find the day of the week, that means we'll be working with mode 7 because we have 7 days in a week. So let's give each day of the week a specific number in mode 7. So we start with Sunday. We give it 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, Thursday 4, Friday 5, Saturday 6. So that is in mode 7. And these are the number used in mode 7, 0 to 6. Now here, we are given the 17th of October falls on Thursday. So we start from there. To figure out the day of the week the 17th of the next month falls, we pick Thursday. Thursday represents 4 in this mode 7. So 17th of next month will fall on. Now we have to calculate this, starting with this Thursday for the 17th of October. 4. Now, how many days do we have left for the end of October, for the last day in October? Remember, we have 31 days in October. So if we say 31 minus 17, we have 14 more days. So we add this together with 14 plus how many days do we have till 17th of the next one, that is of November? We still have 17 more days for us to reach that particular 17th that we are trying to figure out the day of the week it falls. So we add it together with 17 and we perform this addition in mode 7. So here we have add up normally 4 plus 14, 18 plus 17, that gives us 35. So we have 35. And 35 in mode 5, to convert it to mode 5, we divide by 7 and pick out the remainder. So 35 divided by 7, that gives us 5 remainder, 0. So that means 35 is the same thing as 0 in mode 7. And 0 represents Sunday here. So therefore, since 0 represents Sunday, this means that the 17th of the next month is on a Sunday. And that's how to figure out how to know the day of the week the 17th of the next month would fall. Thank you.